Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of February 26, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is Snowmen. Snowballs by Lois Ehlert. Do you think birds know when it's going to snow? I do. The seeds we left out were almost gone. New snow would soon bury the rest. We've been waiting for a really big snow, saving good stuff in a sack. Finally, it was a perfect snowball day. We rolled 3 snowballs and made a snow dad. Added a snow mom and a cool snow boy. Made a snow girl and a round snow baby. Built our cat, and to end the day, made our dog Spot. I guess you know what happened when the sun came out. Snow Dad's shrinking. Mom is mush. Boy's a blob. Girl is slush. Baby's melting. Cat's getting small. Dog is a puddle. The end. We're going to make a cotton ball snowman, and what you'll need is your Craft-To-Go kit and some glue. Just regular school glue would work. I just happen to have tacky glue. So your Craft-To-Go kit is a bunch of cotton balls, and 2 buttons. They're actually stick-on buttons, but you can glue them, and then a nose and a mouth. So what we're gonna do, here's the carrot nose and the little mouth. Put those aside, put the eyes aside, and here's your snowman template. All we're gonna do is we're gonna glue these snowballs onto here. You can fluff them up to make them nice and fluffy, or you can just glue them on as they are. Another way to do this would be to put some glue on a paper plate or in a little bowl and dip the cotton balls in, which might be easier. This is really hard to squeeze. That's okay. Almost done. Get them down there. Just a little bit left. That should be plenty of glue. And I'm just gonna fluff mine up a tiny bit. Just pull on it. Probably won't need to use all of the cotton balls, but they're there if you need them. So yeah, I'm just fluffing it up and sticking it on. So you're gonna do that for the whole snowman, and then we'll glue the face on. Okay, there, so he's all covered in cotton balls. Now we're just gonna attach the eyes, nose, and mouth. You can peel these off and stick them on. I think I'm gonna put a little glue on the back too, just to be on the safe side. This thing is hard to squeeze. There's one eye. Yeah, see, I'm trying to peel this and it's starting to peel the little adhesive. 2 eyes. I need a carrot nose. There, and then his little mouth. It's hard to squeeze, makes it shake. There it is. A little cotton ball snowman.